So we're in the central Pennsylvania mountains in coal country at Knoebels Amusement Park.
Where old rides are reborn.
Okay, so we're heading to Knoebels Amusement Park now. We are leaving the campground. So we just got in the park. It's pretty crowded today. Middle of May 2019. This is only our third visit here.
We're getting in line for that. Right here. Not the balloons. That. Let's go get in line.
Okay, see ya. We've been in the park for 5 minutes and we're already lost.
I would come here 1,000 times, it wouldn't matter.
So we got a snack, got some pierogies and some loaded potato bites, or no, hash browns, tater tots, large tater tots. Pierogies are delicious. Very good. Something that's really big in central Pennsylvania, no, not Pepsi Cola, is white birch beer. It's actually really good. It's clear, it looks like Sprite or 7-Up, but it's actually a birch beer. It's not as sweet as your typical root beer or birch beer is that you would get that has a caramel color to it. Used to be the Golden Nugget ride in Wildwood, New Jersey. They dismantled it, brought it back here, and rebuilt it. It's the same exact track ride, just different themed inside. It's now a complete haunted attraction.
Guys, one more ride after this, because you're not gonna.
He's like, come on, jeez, Whiz, how much of that are you gonna eat? She's like, I gotta eat more, I gotta eat more, I gotta eat more. It's bigger.
Huh?
It's bigger.
The boy. Look at his neck.
Yeah.
That's not like that at all.
Another nice thing about this park is it's pet friendly. You can bring your dogs. I don't know about cats, but you can definitely bring your dogs here. We've seen lots and lots of dogs. Of course, they have to be on a leash. There's fudge to be had. We're going in.
Get out of there. Let's go.
So the last bit of junk that we're going to eat tonight are these potato cakes, and they are amazing. 3 for $4. They are so good, and they're greasy. Finished here at Knoebels. We had a really good time. Great food. The rides that we did were a lot of fun. One of the really neat things about Knoebels is it's free admission into the park, so you don't have to pay to come in. Free parking, which is unheard of nowadays. Yes, you can bring your own food. They have picnic pavilions. Everything is included in the free price. And tickets here, no, the rides, you have to pay for rides here, but the tickets are very reasonable. Anywhere from $1.50 a ride up to maybe $3.25 a ride. Yeah, it's really a bargain, and you can have a lot of fun here. It's a really family-friendly, family-oriented park. There's not any music blaring everywhere on the rides. Everything is, it's old school, and as we said before, or as Michelle said, this is where rides come to be reborn. A lot of the rides here live their lives out at other parks and were scheduled to be dismantled and destroyed, and instead they wound up here. They refurbished them, put them back into order, and then everybody gets to enjoy them again. The Golden Nugget ride, now called the Black Diamond here, holds a special place in my heart, in my childhood. I was terrified of that ride as a child, but now it's, of course, it's nothing. But anyway, this is all located in the central Pennsylvania mountains. Michelle's tripping over stuff again. It was, what was it? A napkin. She was tripping over a napkin. Anyway, it's getting chilly. It's getting chilly out.
I bought that car and came to Knoebels stuff.
Right. 7,900 bucks. Woohoo! Well, I wanted to thank you guys for watching the vlog today. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out if you do that, as well as hitting the like button and the little gray bell at the lower right hand corner of this video so that you can be notified of new videos as they come out. Thanks again for watching.